Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Prometheus metrics for streaming pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Prometheus metrics for streaming pipelines, start by ensuring you have Prometheus installed and running. Check that your streaming application supports Prometheus metrics. Locate the configuration file for your streaming application. In the configuration file, find the section dedicated to metrics or monitoring. If a metrics endpoint is not defined, add one. Typically, this is done by specifying an HTTP port for the metrics endpoint. For example, you might add a line like metrics.port 9090. Ensure this port does not conflict with other services running on your application. Next, define the metrics you want to expose. Refer to your streaming application's documentation for available metrics. After defining the metrics, save the changes to the configuration file. Once configured, restart your streaming application to apply the changes. Next, verify that the metrics endpoint is functioning. You can do this by navigating to http://localhost 9090/metrics in your web browser. If you see a list of metrics displayed, it indicates that the endpoint is working. Now, open your Prometheus configuration file. Add a new job to scrape the metrics from your streaming application. Each job should include a name and a target. For example, you might add a job like this, job_name, streaming pipeline. Set the target to point to your application's metrics endpoint, like this, static_configs, targets, localhost 9090. Save the Prometheus configuration file after making your changes. Restart your Prometheus server to apply the updated configuration. Wait a few moments for Prometheus to scrape the metrics from your streaming pipeline. To check if the metrics are being collected, open the Prometheus web UI. You can access it by navigating to http://localhost 9090. Go to the graph section to query your streaming metrics. You can search for metrics using their names to visualize the data. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.